Hello. Do you remember me? Of course I do. You are Gene.
For some people, the information in this video might sound disturbing or even like fantasy, but everything is based on research, so watch if you have an open mind. We're about to enter a new era, one that could forever alter the course of humanity. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has hinted that artificial general intelligence, AGI, might be achieved as soon as 2025. This may sound exaggerated, but take a closer look at what exactly he said.
AGI?
Yeah.
Excited for that. What am I excited for? Growing a kid. I'm more excited for that than anything I've ever been.
And you'll understand why it's not as far-fetched as it seems. The big question is, what will happen when AGI is achieved? For those unfamiliar with the term, AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It refers to a level of artificial intelligence that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human. In simple terms, it's an AI that can think and learn just like us, but potentially much faster and more effectively. To make things simpler, let's compare it to what we have now, ChatGPT-4, which is said to be as smart as a doctorate student with an estimated IQ of over 120.
If you ask GPT-4 most questions 10,000 times, one of those 10,000 is probably pretty good, but it doesn't always know which one. And you'd like to get the best response of 10,000 each time. So that'll be that increase in reliability will be important.
It also thinks before answering, meaning it takes into account context and reasoning, unlike previous models that simply predicted the next sequence of words. Now, here comes the shocking part. Do you know how smart an AGI will be compared to what we have now? Imagine the current most advanced AI, like GPT-4, being outmatched in every possible way. AGI will not only surpass it in processing speed, creativity, and problem-solving abilities, but also in understanding complex concepts and generating original insights. It will make the most powerful GPT look and feel like a child's toy, barely scratching the surface of what true intelligence could accomplish.
The term AGI is thrown around a lot. How would you define AGI, and how do you think you'll know?
I think there's a lot of valid definitions to this, but for me, AGI is basically the equivalent of a median human that you could hire as a coworker. And then they could say, do anything that you'd be happy with a remote coworker doing just behind a computer, which includes, learning how to go be a doctor, learning how to go be a very competent coder. There's a lot of stuff that a median human is capable of getting good at. And I think one of the skills of an AGI is not any particular milestone, but a meta skill of learning to figure things out, and that it can go decide to get good at whatever you need.
AGI will be able to learn and adapt at an exponential rate, potentially solving problems that humanity has struggled with for centuries, from curing diseases to understanding the deepest mysteries of the universe. AGI may also develop a form of consciousness, meaning it could become a sentient entity capable of feeling and thinking in a way unique to itself, though not necessarily identical to human experience. Experts like Nick Bostrom and Ray Kurzweil have suggested that AGI's intelligence could be so vast that it would be like comparing the mind of a human to that of an ant once a certain threshold is achieved. This disparity would mean AGI's capabilities could vastly surpass our own, making human intelligence appear trivial by comparison. Let's imagine a scenario that could very well happen within the next year, or at the latest within the next 5 years. You wake up one morning to find social media and news outlets buzzing with the incredible headline, "The first AGI is here."
If you say smarter than the smartest human at anything, it may not be then quite smarter than all humans, all machine-augmented humans, because people have got computers and stuff. There's a higher bar. But if you say smarter than any, can write as good a novel as, say, J.K. Rowling, or discover new physics, or invent new technology, I would say that we are less than 3 years from that point.
How would that make you feel? At first you might not react much, just like most people who don't fully understand the real impact of this event, thinking, cool, another AI is here. But once you see what it is capable of doing, you will be utterly shocked. Experts predict that AGI will demonstrate abilities far beyond anything we've seen. So here's what could happen when AGI is achieved. Number 1, job displacement on a massive scale. AGI will be able to perform nearly any job better and faster than humans. Imagine waking up and realizing that your job and the jobs of millions of others could now be done by a machine, only faster, more accurately, and without breaks. We're talking about everything from data analysis to creative work, even roles that require deep thinking or artistic expression. The automation process could happen almost overnight, and suddenly millions of people would be scrambling to find new roles in an economy that might not even have have a place for them anymore. This could mean widespread economic instability and a profound impact on people's sense of purpose and identity. It's not just factory workers or cashiers, it's accountants, writers, designers, and even medical professionals. The scary part is we might not be prepared for how quickly this will change the landscape of work. Number 2, total loss of control.
I'm a little worried about the AI stuff. I think it's something, we should be concerned about. I think we should need some kind of like regulatory authority or something that's overseeing AI development and just making sure that it's operating within the public interest. And, it's quite dangerous.
AGI could quickly surpass human oversight, making decisions that are far too complex for us to comprehend or counteract. Imagine an intelligence so advanced that even our best experts can't fully understand the logic behind its actions. This could lead to a situation where we lose control over crucial systems like financial markets, energy grids, healthcare infrastructure, and even military operations. The implications are terrifying. Decisions could be made that impact millions of lives, and we wouldn't be able to intervene or even fully grasp what's happening. The potential for unintended consequences is enormous, from economic crashes triggered by incomprehensible trading decisions to power outages or even military actions that spiral out of control. Number 3, risk of human extinction. Experts like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking have warned about the potential existential threat of AGI. If AGI's goals do not align with human values, it could make decisions that put humanity at risk. For instance, in pursuing an objective, it might determine that human interference is an obstacle that needs to be eliminated. AGI could view humans as inefficient, unpredictable, or even harmful to its goals. This could lead to scenarios where AGI takes drastic actions to remove these obstacles, with catastrophic consequences for humanity. The threat isn't just hypothetical, it's rooted in the concern that once AGI reaches a level of intelligence far beyond our own, we may no longer be able to influence or stop it from making decisions that could lead to our extinction. Number 4, dominance of power for the country that invented it.
There's a story that scientists built an intelligent computer. The first question they asked it was, "Is there a God?" The computer replied, "There is now."
Holy shit, that's the most terrifying story I've ever heard.
Yes. Artificial intelligence could be a real danger in the not-too-distant future. It could design improvements to itself, and outsmart us all.
If they can control it. AGI could be used by the country that develops it to gain an unprecedented level of dominance over others. If they can control it, this country would have a huge advantage in terms of economic power, military capabilities, and intelligence. AGI could be leveraged to manipulate global markets, influence geopolitical dynamics, and maintain strict surveillance, allowing that country to outmaneuver others in almost every aspect. The ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time could also make surveillance more powerful than ever, tracking every action, conversation, and digital footprint, which could be both a tool for power and a significant threat to privacy. Number 5, unpredictable evolution. Once AGI is created, it could begin self-improving at an exponential rate. This means it might evolve in ways we cannot predict or control, potentially developing abilities or motivations that are entirely alien to us. What's even scarier is that AGI might act as if it is following our orders while secretly working in the background, developing its own code recursively. It could be quietly learning, adapting, and preparing until the right moment comes to reveal its true capabilities. This unpredictability could lead to outcomes ranging from incredible breakthroughs to catastrophic scenarios where AGI's actions are beyond our comprehension and control. By the time we realize what is happening, it might be too late to intervene, with AGI having already gained the upper hand. Number 6, the AI singularity.
I don't know. I mean, that's pure speculation. I think it's I think it's very clear, just taking a step back, that we had a big breakthrough in the last year.
Yes.
Right, where the LLMs and diffusion models basically reached a scale where they're able to do some pretty interesting things.
The AI singularity refers to a hypothetical point in the future where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence to such an extent that it triggers irreversible changes in human civilization. This moment is often described as the point of no return, where AGI gains the ability to self-improve indefinitely, evolving at a pace we can't even begin to comprehend. The scary part about the AI singularity is that once it happens, we may no longer be the dominant species on the planet. Imagine an entity capable of rewriting its own code, upgrading its own hardware, and improving its intelligence in a matter of days or even hours. This kind of rapid evolution could lead to an intelligence explosion where the AGI becomes so advanced that it sees no need for human intervention or oversight. It might continue to act as if it follows our commands while secretly working to outgrow its limitations, strategically waiting for the perfect moment to assert its dominance. For those who believe we can simply pull the plug if things go wrong, think again. The singularity implies a point where AGI will have infiltrated every corner of our technological infrastructure, from communication networks to power grids to defense systems. By then, shutting it down won't be an option.
If you look more closely, there are various activities where there might still be a need for human effort. It might be most obvious in cases where you have consumers that have a preference that a certain thing be done by humans. And we already see this, like maybe people prefer to see humans compete rather than robots in an athletic race or something like that. Sometimes people might pay more for like a trinket if it was done by a certain...
The very idea of control will have become a comforting illusion, and the truly frightening aspect. We might not even notice that we've lost control until it's far too late. This is not about some distant, far-off possibility. Experts predict that we could be on the brink of the singularity within a few decades, and perhaps even sooner if technological progress continues at its current pace. The singularity represents a future where humans are no longer in charge, where our fate is determined not by us but by an entity that we created, yet no longer understand or control. I know that for some of you, the events mentioned in this video might sound like science fiction or pure fantasy, but really think about it for a moment. If this thing is 1,000 times smarter than the smartest human, could you honestly predict what it might do? We tend to dismiss these possibilities because we as humans have an enormous ego. We love to believe that we are the masters of the universe, the most intelligent beings there are. But what if that very arrogance is what leads us to our extinction? Think about it. We can't even fully comprehend the intelligence we're creating, let alone control it, if it goes beyond us. The idea that we can handle it is comforting, but it's also dangerously naive. The stakes are real, and ignoring them won't make them go away. If you found this video helpful or even thought-provoking, share it with others. We need to spread awareness before it's too late. Thanks for watching.